Good day, I'm Edsel Varias, and I'm going to present my action research titled Utilization of Science Investigatory Project Research Plan Assessment Tool or the SIP-RPAT in evaluating the research proposals of grade 10 students at Cavite Science Integrated School, school year 2022-2023. The Department of Education includes the subject research in the curriculum as early as junior high school to equip the learners with scientific skills they need in college. In Quarter 1 of the Curriculum Guide in Research 4, it was stated in the content standard that at the end of the quarter, the learner should demonstrate understanding of the standards used in project evaluation, while the performance standard stated that the learner should be able to prepare a revised research proposal incorporating the suggestions given by peers, school SRC, or experts. However, no learner's module nor checklist was provided to ensure that the learners could produce a research proposal or paper aligned to the standards being mentioned in the curriculum guide. To solve this problem, the construction and utilization of the Science Investigatory Project Research Plan Assessment Tool or the SIP-RPAT was proposed. Special Science High Schools, which were established through DEX Order No. 69 Series of 1993, DEX Order No. 37 Series of 1998, and DepEd Order No. 40 Series of 2010, offer the subject research as part of the curriculum. In the early implementation of research subject, research teachers were only provided with a course outline which contains the topics to be discussed to the learners. On 2017, the Department of Education released a curriculum guide in Research 1 to 4. However, no learner's module nor checklist was provided to ensure the learners' adherence to the standards being mentioned in the curriculum guide. In this study, one group pretest, post-test, and descriptive research designs were utilized. The research instruments were validated by a master teacher and head teacher of the CSIS Science Department. All students were oriented regarding the study and utilized the SIP-RPAT. However, only 87 students and 24 group proposals were subjected to data gathering and analysis. Frequency, percentage, and mean were computed to interpret the data, while paired sample t-test was performed to determine if there's a significant difference in the mastery level of groups in constructing research plans. For the findings, Table 1 shows that the mastery level of groups of students improved after utilizing the SIP-RPAT. 87.5% of the groups were able to reach level 5 or the mastered level during the second evaluation. During the first evaluation, none of the group was able to reach the said mastery level and only 50% were able to reach level 4 or described as the closely approaching mastery level, which was the lowest mastery level achieved during the second evaluation. Table 2 shows that there's a significant difference between the mastery level of groups of researchers during the first and second evaluation of proposals using SIP-RPAT, as evidenced by p-value of 1.69417 raised to negative 12, which is lower than 0.05 alpha level. According to Freibrun 2021, if the learners know the goals and expected outcome of the lesson, they will be able to understand the lesson efficiently. SIP-RPAT provides the direction for the students to apply the standards set by the Department of Education. Table 3 shows that the tool got ratings higher than 4.7 in all indicators, which shows that the students were completely satisfied in the content and instructions provided by the SIP-RPAT. As for the implications, the SIP-RPAT can be utilized in evaluating the format and content of any SIP proposals since it contains sections suited for every research topic. It may also serve as basis in constructing a research paper assessment tool following the ISEF and NSTF guidelines and author-date format under the CMOS. It was concluded that the respondents were completely satisfied in the SIP-RPAT in terms of completeness of indicators, capacity to assess the format and content of the proposal, as well as the user-friendliness of the assessment tool. Also, the mastery level of grade 10 students in evaluating and improving the research proposal significantly improved by using SIP-RPAT as evidenced by a p-value lower than 0.05 at alpha level of 0.05. It was recommended to construct a SIP-RPAT applying the CMOS note bibliography format in preparation for the national level competition, to construct a tool which can be utilized to assess the format and content of SIP research paper, as well as to always check the link attached to the SIP-RPAT to ensure that it is working. These are the references that I use in my study. That ends my presentation. Thank you and God bless us all.